Alhamdulillah, assalatu wassalamu ala rasulihil kareem. Amma ba'd, fa'awzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir wa tammim bil khair wa bika nasta'inu ya fattahu ya fattahu ya fattahu Allahumma faqihna fid din. Amin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I hope and pray that you all are doing good. In this lesson 77, we are going to learn ادوات الاستفهام. Literal meaning is the tools for question, but you can say that these are question words. So, adwatul istifham, tool for questioning, or you can say questioning words. So, here is a short list of question words. Man is who. Man and ma and maza is what. Ma and maza is used when you are asking about an intelligent being, and man when you are talking about human ism, like human jinns or angels. So man is who, and maza and ma and maza are one and the same. So maza is what. Mata is when. Mata is when. Okay. Aina is where, when you are asking the location, or like aina simply means where. Limaza. Limaza is why. Actually, it's a combination of li and ma. For what? For what reason? Li is for, ma is what, right? Li, is a abjad. So limaza, for what reason? So in short, you can say limaza is why. Why? Kaifa is how, and hal, or this hamza. This is hamza. This hamza is called hamzatul istifham. Is if it comes at the beginning of the sentence, then it's a hamzatul istifham. So hal and hamzatul istifham means did or do you, like did or do, and I means which. I means which. So these are some question words. Kaifa is how. Okay. So one thing, as we are learning the grammar, we are in the Naha portion now from lesson 76. So the grammar rules is, there are some grammar rules for every type of words, right? There are words like who have effect on the upcoming ism, like inna wa akhwatuha, inna, anna, ka, anna, bi, anna. So these type of words are harf of nasab, and they make the following ism nasab. The same way you have huruf jar, and they harf jar makes the upcoming ism in jar status. But these question words, okay, these are also words, but they don't have any grammatical effect on the upcoming ism, right? So they don't change the status of the upcoming ism, or they don't have any effect on the upcoming sentence, whether it's a jumla ismiya or jumla fi'liya. And these words can simply be added to the beginning of a sentence. So whether it's a jumla fi'liya or jumla ismiya, these words can be added to the beginning of a sentence. Over here on this slide, you have examples of jumla fi'liya. Okay, examples of question words with jumla fi'liya. So with jumla fi'liya, look, so first of all, man, who. Okay, man darasa, who studied. Okay, then did, hal or a is did, or if you are you over here, hal darasat Zainabu, did Zainab study, did Zainab study, or hal tadrusu, did you study? Oh, do you study, not did. Do you study? Tadrusu is present tense. So it can come in present tense and past tense also. Over here we have past tense. Okay. So that's why did Zainab study? Hal darasat Zainabu. Did Zainab study? Then mata darasat Zainabu. When did Zainab study? The same way you can say mata darasta. When did you study? So aina darasta. Where did you study? Or aina darasa Zainabu, where did Zainab study? The same way, aina is where, right? Limaza, why? Okay, limaza darasa Zainabu, why did Zainab study? Or you can say limaza darasat, limaza darasta, why did you study? Or limaza darasti, why did you, when you are talking to a female, limaza darasti, why did you study? So the person you are talking to is a female, limaza darasti. The same way, Kaifa darasat Zainabu, how did Zainab study? Or you can say Kaifa darasta, how did you study? How was this the study? Your study. Kaifa darasta, how did you study? And then ma darasat Zainabu. You can say maza darasat Zainabu or ma darasat Zainabu. What did Zainab study? Then fi ayyi is which, okay? So but ayyi comes as a as mudaf with a mudaf ilayh. So ayyi madrasatin, which school, which school. So ayyi comes always as a mudaf, taking a mudaf ilayh, okay? So fi ayyi madrasatin, in which school the darasa Zainabu, in which school did Zainab study? So this is how these question words come in jumla failure, with jumla failure, okay? Now we have examples from jumla ismiya also. And the same thing is that these question words have no grammatical effect on the upcoming jumla ismiya or any word, and they are just added to the beginning of the sentence. Okay, so man hua, who is he? So this is a nominal sentence, no fail. Okay, man hua, who is he? Hal hua mawjudun, is he present? So over here in nominal sentence, it's not hal or hamzatul istifham is not translated as did or do, but in nominal sentence, this is the question sentence, is he present? Okay, so is he present? Hal huwa mawjudun, is he present? Then mata kana mawjudan, when was he present? When was he present? Mata, when. Okay, mata, when. And kana mawjudan, he was present. So but when you put mata, so mata kana mawjudan, when was he present? Aina huwa, where is he? Okay, aina hua, where is he? And you can see in the nominal sentence, just after the question word, there is is. Who is he? Or when it's a istifham, then is come in the translation in English, the is comes before uh, the mubtada. Hal huwa mawjudun, is he present? But most of the time you have is or was just after the question word, like when was, where is, why is, what is. Okay, so when was he present? Mata kana mawjudan. Aina hua, where is he? Limaza hua mawjudun, why is he here? Okay, maza, ma hua. You can say maza hua or ma hua. What is this? Was it? What it is it? Okay, what is it? Or okay, or man hua, who is he? Man hua is who is he, and ma hua is what is it? Hua can be he or it. Okay, the same way here can be she or it. Okay, so this is the question words coming in nominal sentences. Now we have a special condition when if there is a sentence that has a jar majroor in it. Okay, if a sentence has jar majroor in it, if a sentence has that has a jar majroor in it, then when you make such sentence a question, then the harf jar comes before the question word. Suppose aina was the question word, and you want to ask where is he from. Okay, so where is he from? So from is harf jar. So min would come because this sentence has a jar majroor in it. So min would come even before the question word. So the rule is what is the rule on this slide? The rule on this slide is if there is a sentence that has a jar majroor in it. Okay, if there is a sentence that has a jar majroor in it, and you are making the sentence a question, so the harf jar would come even before the question word. Okay, so min aina, min is harf jar. Min aina, from where is he? Okay, min aina hua, from where is he? So harf jar min comes before the question word aina. The same way, amma yatasaaluna. This is a jumla failure. Yatasaaluna. They ask. They are asking each other. And amma. This is actually an plus ma. An plus ma. About what they are asking each other. An, about, and ma. Amma is the combination of an plus ma. So ma is the question word and an is the harf jar, which is coming even before ma, this question word. Okay, harf jar an comes before the question word ma. So amma yatasaaluna, what are they asking each other about? Okay, the same way this fima is actually fi plus ma. And when you write like in the case of ma, when you put a harf jar before ma, the harf jar merges with the ma, and the alif at the end, this alif at the end is omitted and replaced with fatha. You can see this fatha over here. So you don't see alif over here. You don't see alif over here, fima, but you see only a fatha. Okay. So the rule is, if there is a jar majroor in the sentence and it's a question, then the harf jar would come even before the question word. So over here, harf jar is an, and it came before the question word ma. Amma, about what? Yatasa'aluna, they were asking, they are asking about it, not were, they are asking about each other. And fima kuntum, what are you all in? Okay, fima, what, in what, in what you are all in. Okay. And then فيما كنتم فيه تختلفون. You might recall the ayah. The same way, the next example is lima azinta lahum. This lima is again li harjar and ma. Okay. Li is harjar, for, ma what, for what reason. Okay, for what reason. And then we have jumla failure, azinta lahum. For what reason did you give them permission? Or you can say, you can translate, why did you give them permission? Okay, why did you give them permission? So instead of saying for what reason, you can just say, you can just translate why did you give them reason. And lima translates literally as for what reason, but can be translated more naturally as why. So more naturally, you can say, why did you give them permission? Okay, so lima is why. Okay. So this is a little grammar rule about the sentence in which jar majroor is coming with the question word in the beginning. So harf jar would come even before the question word. Now we have practice from Madinah book, short sentences, because this is very basic concept of question words. Let me go back to Madinah book 1. Okay. Let me pause the video first. This is Madinah book 1, lesson 1. So ma haza, what is this? So the question is ma haza, what is this? Haza baitun. Then we have a haza baitun. Is this a house? So this is a nominal sentence. Haza baitun is a nominal sentence, and you just put the question word hamzatul istifham in the beginning. So is this a house? Then the answer is, or the reply is, na'am haza baitun. Then ma haza, what is this? Haza qamisun. Haza sarirun. Obviously, this is not bed. This is the chair. So, ahada sarirun. Is this ahada sarirun? Is this bed? La. Hada kursiyun. The same way, ahada miftahun. Miftahun means key. So, is this a key? No. La. La. Hada qalamun. Then, ma haza. What is this? Hada najmun. So, the same way, here are exercises about a question word. Ma hada maktabun. This is a desk. Ma hada sarirun. Ma hada kitabun. Ma hada babun. Ma hada baitun. So hada baitun, na'am, hada baitun. Hada qamisun, na'am, hada qamisun. Hada miftahun, la, hada qalamun. Hada najmun, na'am, hada najmun. So these are man hada. Now question is about a certain human. So man hada, who is this, or who is he? Hada tabibun. The same way, man hada, who is he? Hada baladun, he is a boy. Man hada, who is he? Who is this, or who is he? Hada talibun. Then the question word, ahada baladun, is this a boy? No. La, hada rajulun. No, this is a man. The same way, man haza, who is this? Hada tajirun. So this is a very simple basic sentences that are there in lesson 1 of Madinah book 1. Let me go to there's another page that is there in my notes. Let me see. 28, page 28. So yeah, over here there are some question word. Aina Muhammadun, where is Muhammad? Huwa fil ghurfati, he is in the room. The same way, Aina Yasirun, where is Yasir? Huwa fil hammami. So over here there's some examples of Aina. And here are example like questions. Aina al kitabu, where is kitab? Huwa ala sariri, or huwa al maktabi. The same way we have question words. We are going to practice these in our live session, inshallah. And there is exercise at the end of this lesson too. So you are going to translate these, inshallah, in the live session. This is the exercise for this lesson. Okay. Let me conclude the session. If you have any question, you can ask me in the live session. And let me conclude the session with dua. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.